Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. I bet you didn't know Morocco is a hidden giant in global trade. Today we're diving into why Morocco is a trade powerhouse. You might be surprised to learn that Morocco holds roughly 73% of the world's phosphate reserves. Phosphate is a key ingredient in agricultural fertilizers, making it essential for global food production. Now imagine the influence that comes with controlling such a critical resource. This positions Morocco as a vital player in global trade networks. But that's not all. Morocco is strategically located at the crossroads of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. This prime location makes it a natural hub for trade routes, enhancing its global economic influence. Over the past years, Morocco has invested heavily in its infrastructure. The Tanger Med Port, for instance, is one of the largest and most efficient ports in Africa, facilitating swift and seamless trade. But Morocco's trade prowess isn't limited to raw materials and logistics. The country is also emerging as a leader in renewable energy, with massive investments in solar and wind power. This not only boosts its economy, but also positions it as a sustainable trade partner for the future. So the next time you think about global trade giants, don't overlook Morocco. It's a powerhouse with a strategic advantage, critical resources, and a forward-thinking approach to sustainable growth. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business insights. See you next time.